Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks, and today's video is going to be about Control L or combine. The combine icon is right here, but it's shadowed, it's grayed out because you don't have anything to combine. So we're going to redraw this. A pretty interesting little deal. I'm going to hit P to put that in the center of the page. And then I'm going to make it yellow, and I'm going to take away the outline. Now, I want to add a lot of colors. So I'm going to swipe across here. I'm going to go ahead and put yellow on the tip. But instead of bringing colors over and creating new deals, I'm just going to double click on the line and make a bunch of boxes that are going to be yellow. To me, this saves a lot of time, and you can add as many as you want. And then you can go back and put red, or I missed the box. You can put red in there when you get that plus key and see how I'm going to do every other one. So it's going to get that design and hopefully even it out perfectly. Now, if you take this and Control D, because we're working in the center of the page, we're going to rotate it 10 degrees. And then I can Control D all the way around. Now look how it looks when it finishes. I don't know why that did that. But if we take all these, and now this icon combine is highlighted, so I'm just going to have it selected, and I'm going to hit Control L, and watch what happens. A completely different look. And if we bring in a black box to really kind of highlight the yellow, that's a pretty cool effect, and it would take you quite a long time to draw that. So, a lot of people over the years have asked me, what's the difference between combine and group? Well, if you just group this together, Control G, you get that. Now let's back up here and see if we can't make it a little bit different. Let's ungroup it. And let's take this thing, we might have to group it to use the twirl tool, but maybe not. Okay, now we've twirled it. Now let's hit Control L. It's kind of weird that it still stays with that yellow highlight. I actually like the other one better when it was just straight. Anyway, so next time you need to make something like that, consider combining them and see what you get. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.